Hello everyone, we are back with yet another tutorial, and in this video we will see how you can use the local proxy feature of KushoAI. So this proxy server, it serves as an alternative to KushoAI Chrome extension, providing a robust solution to environments with stricter security policies or when using non-Chromium browsers. So let's see how you can use it. So first, what you have to do is go to your KushoAI account and click on your profile icon and select settings. So here you will see at the top an option of use a proxy for making API calls instead of Chrome extension. So this just allows you to make the API calls from your local server or the proxy instead of the Chrome extension that we have or you have to install before using Kusho AI. I will just click on that and it will just give me a URL that this is where the proxy will run. You can change it accordingly, but we will just go with that. So to install this proxy in your system, we have a GitHub repository. So all you have to do is just clone this repository, navigate to it and do npm install. All the instructions are written on the GitHub repo as well and also in our documentation. So we will be sharing that in the comment of this video. So after you have done that, you have to do this command on your terminal, node proxy.js, and just click on enter. And now your proxy server is listening, and now you can just go back to any of your API that wasn't running or you want to do it from the local proxy. So let's just select this one and just let's say this one and just click on them. So there you go, it is running. And yeah, we will provide everything in the comment of this video. And yeah, I hope you like this video and I will see you in the next one.